Tamim from Tamim Tech Reviews, back again with another video for you guys. Today I have a special little product called the TreatLife Summer Dimmer plugin. There's a newer version right now in the Amazon store, and this is the product right here. It's a nice little compact black box with your little plugin thing here, and it's got two switches so you can turn off whichever area your light source is plugged into, which is going to be right here. This is a little area where you'll be plugging in your lights, and this is primarily used for like outdoor patio use. It's compatible with smart homes like Google and the Amazon device, whose name I will not say to trigger your devices. So with that in mind, this is an interesting product that I'm going to be talking to you guys about today. So this thing has 600 watts. It's compatible, like I said, with the Amazon device and your Google device. It's got IP64 water and dust rating, so you can use it outdoors and keep it outdoors, and rain won't hurt it because it can take splash and like little stuff like that. So don't worry about it getting wet because it is protected with that IP64 rating. It can connect to a Wi-Fi. It's got 2.4 gigahertz of Wi-Fi. So yeah, and it comes with a smart it's a smart thing, it's a smart device, so it does come with an application that you can use to set up your device. And I've had it set up on my phone, so I'll show you a little screen recording to show you what it looks like using the application. And then we'll test it out. So we're gonna look at the TreatLife app, and this is what it looks like. I'm having it on the screen right here at the screen recording. And it's loading, it's looking for devices. I already have it set up. It's pretty easy to set up. You just gotta follow the instructions when you add a device. So you would add a device, and then you'll find your three-way switch plug, and you're going to connect it to those networks. And it's a pretty easy process to follow. It's pretty self-explanatory. So dimmer plug, it's not plugged in right now, but it'll just say device connection failure if it's not plugged in. And then, no, I guess it won't let me see. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like when you have it plugged in. You have your outlet 1 and your outlet 2. I named my second one lamp. You can change the brightness and whatnot. You can turn them on and off, all on, all off. But right now it's not plugged in, but there are dimmer settings you can go to. Light too bright, light flickering. That can be an issue if you plug it into, let's say, another smart light or another light bulb that has, I forget what wattage it is. But you'll know if you set down the light too low to what the light bulb can actually handle, it will start flickering. And if it's too bright, you can adjust the dimming range like it says on these instructions. And then you have your indicator light on. Light is on when the load is on, so it gives you an LED indicator. Then you can set some routines and whatnot. You have your wake up routines, go to sleep routines. You can set a schedule and away mode. So you can add all these things on here for like Monday, Sunday through Saturday, time, brightness. So there's a lot of things you can add on here with routines. So it's pretty cool. But obviously we won't be able to see all that work if it's not plugged in. So we're going to take this thing outside and plug it in. Or, because I tried this before in my initial video that I created, and it doesn't work with like lamps. So I need to use it on the outdoor lighting patio. So that's where we're going to go, outside, and see if I can find some light sources to give you an example on how this thing works. Let's go. So we're outdoors, and you might not be able to tell, but the lights are on. And then I'm going to show you guys the application that we use on the phone. So I'm going to put a screen recording up. All right. So right now, as you can see, I have it dimmed, right? So I'm going to turn all off. And it turns it off. Now there's no flickering going on, and that's because I set a lock mode on here. So as you can see here, I put a lock mode. You probably see it better in the screen recording. So as you can see in the lock mode, I have the light. Let's make sure that it doesn't get too dim. So if it gets too dim, it'll flicker. So right now it's way too dim. And you can probably see it flickering. Or just go completely off because it's too dim. I'm not sure if you can see that flickering. All right, so I lost audio after
Some
this clip, obviously, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. So basically what I'm showing you here is the light flickering because the dimming in the application is too low. And when the dimming is too low, the light starts to flicker. And when you increase it with the dimming lock mode, so you can set it to, like, in this case I set it to 22%, so it doesn't go any lower than 22%, so that way the light is not flickering, but it's still dimmable. So that's pretty much what you're missing out in this clip with the audio that got cut off because my really fancy microphone died. So again, you see the light flickering because the dimming is set below 22% and it starts flickering. So it may vary on the type of light bulb that you're using and its wattage, but that's basically what I'm showing you in this clip. All right, so that was the TreatLife smart dimmer, $33 on Amazon. Pretty good steal. It can work with your Amazon Echo device and Google Assistant. Easy access with Google Assistant and Alexa on Android devices. iOS takes a few steps. So yeah, check it out. If you have those smart patio lights, works well with that. If you want to be hands-free, that's the key catch here, hands-free. So check it out if you want to see that. I'll leave a link below. And yeah, stay tuned for the next videos. There's lots to talk about: iPhone 14, Samsung, Google, a lot going on in the tech world, and I want to cover it all if I can in the summer. So take care. Peace.